So hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to redeem Roblox gift card codes on mobiles. So let's get started. First open the Chrome application or the Google, and on the search bar put in Roblox redeem. It's like this one. And then see for the Roblox gift card like this one. So just click this one and you'll be routed to the Roblox page on how to redeem your gift card. So on the upper right side, you'll be able to see redeem gift card. So just click this one and you will be routed you to a page that says redeem Roblox code. So you need to enter the code, enter your gift card, virtual item or promo code below. And after entering the code, just put a check mark and then click redeem. Alright, and then after this one, since I have a no code to use right here, so after clicking redeem, you'll be able to see or routed to a page that you need to enter a PIN code, and it will show you your credit balance as well. And after entering the PIN code, just click convert to Roblox. And after clicking convert to Roblox, it will be routed you to a page that you need to confirm. Just press confirm right there for you to redeem the Roblox gift cards. So that's it. That's how you redeem Roblox gift card on mobile. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos and updates.